Hey there, fellow traders and finance enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into the world of currency markets and taking a closer look at the US dollar index, DXY. Now, I know what you might be thinking, oh, another DXY forecast? But trust me, this one's a bit different. We're not just going to regurgitate the same old technical analysis you've seen a million times. Instead, we're going to explore the bigger picture and uncover some hidden gems that could change the way you think about this index. So, buckle up and get ready for a wild ride. First things first, let's talk about the current state of the DXY. As of now, it's hovering around 99.84, which is a far cry from its recent highs above 101.65. But what's really interesting is the reason behind this decline. You see, the market is in a bit of a holding pattern, waiting to see how the Iran war plays out. With hopes of a negotiated end, investors are embracing a moderate risk appetite, which is putting pressure on the DXY. Now, you might be thinking, so what? The DXY is just another currency index. But here's where things get really fascinating. The DXY is more than just a bunch of numbers, it's a barometer of global economic sentiment. And right now, it's telling us a story about the delicate balance between risk and safety. Personally, I think this is a critical moment for the DXY. If the market can hold above 99.40, it could signal a continued decline towards the 200-day SMA at 99.20. But if it breaks below, well, that's when things get really interesting. What many people don't realize is that the DXY is not just a reflection of the US economy, it's a global indicator. And in my opinion, this is where the real story lies. The DXY is not just about the US, it's about the world. So, when we see the DXY struggling, it's like a global economy taking a breath. It's a moment of reflection, a pause before the next big move. Now, let's talk about the technical analysis. The DXY is trading at 99.84, which is a corrective decline from a double top above 101.65. The daily chart shows weak momentum, with the RSI hovering around 36 and the MACD indicator holding below 0. This is a clear bearish view, but what does it really mean? In my perspective, it's a sign that the market is ready for a shift. The bears are targeting 2-month lows of 99.38 and the key 200-day SMA at 99.20. But what if I told you that this is just the beginning? What if the DXY is setting the stage for something much bigger? Now, let's take a step back and think about the bigger picture. The DXY is not just a currency index, it's a global economic indicator. And in my opinion, this is where the real story lies. The DXY is not just about the US, it's about the world. So, when we see the DXY struggling, it's like a global economy taking a breath. It's a moment of reflection, a pause before the next big move. Finally, let's talk about the implications. If the DXY can hold above 99.40, it could signal a continued decline towards the 200-day SMA at 99.20. But if it breaks below, well, that's when things get really interesting. The late May low at 98.75 and the April and May bottom near 97.60 could be in focus. So, what does this all mean for you, the trader? Well, in my opinion, it's a reminder that the market is always evolving. The DXY is not just a static index, it's a dynamic force that reflects the ever-changing global economy. So, the next time you see the DXY on your screen, remember that it's not just a number, it's a story. And who knows, maybe it's the story of the next big move in the currency markets. So, what do you think? Is the DXY setting the stage for something bigger? Let me know in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more insightful content. Until next time, happy trading!